The skies above New York and New Jersey are buzzing with more than just planes. Something strange is happening, something that has captured the attention of both locals and experts alike. People are seeing things they can't explain. Unidentified flying objects that defy conventional understanding are becoming a common sight. Mysterious drones, unlike anything we've seen before, are appearing in the night sky. These aren't your typical commercial or hobbyist drones. They move with impossible speed and agility, darting across the sky in ways that seem to defy the laws of physics. They are silent and stealthy, making no noise as they glide through the air, adding to the enigma. What are these enigmatic objects? Where do they come from? Are they man-made or something else entirely? The questions outnumber the answers, leaving everyone from casual observers to seasoned experts baffled and intrigued. Theories abound, but concrete evidence remains elusive. These aren't your everyday drones. Their design and capabilities suggest a level of technology far beyond what is publicly known. Something else is at play here, something that challenges our understanding of aerial technology. These objects are defying our understanding of what's possible. Their precise maneuvers and controlled movements are unlike anything seen before. They move with a precision and grace that seems almost otherworldly, as if they are guided by an intelligence beyond our own. They seem to defy gravity itself, hovering and darting in ways that should be impossible. The mystery deepens with each passing sighting, fueling speculation and capturing imaginations worldwide. People are left in awe and wonder, questioning what they are witnessing. The world is watching, waiting for answers. Each new sighting adds to the growing intrigue. Are these advanced military prototypes kept secret from the public eye? Could they be part of a classified project? Are they evidence of secret government programs operating in the shadows, programs that push the boundaries of current technology? Or could they be something even more extraordinary, something that hints at possibilities beyond our current understanding? Perhaps even extraterrestrial in origin? The mystery of the drones over New York and New Jersey has only just begun. As sightings continue, the quest for answers becomes ever more urgent. The drones have been caught on camera performing maneuvers that seem to defy the laws of physics. They execute sharp right-angle turns at speeds that would rip apart conventional aircraft. They hover silently, with no visible means of propulsion. Their lights blaze in patterns that make no logical sense. These aren't just minor anomalies. These are blatant violations of our understanding of aerodynamics. Experts and amateurs alike are left scratching their heads, trying to reconcile what they're seeing with what they know to be scientifically possible. The drones seem to operate in a realm beyond our current technological capabilities. The lack of any visible propulsion system is particularly perplexing. There are no spinning rotors, no exhaust plumes, no telltale signs of the engines that should be powering these machines. They seem to glide through the air effortlessly, as if propelled by an invisible force. This has led some to speculate that the drones might be utilizing some form of advanced classified technology. Joe Rogan, the renowned podcaster and comedian, couldn't resist diving into the mystery. On his wildly popular podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience, he dedicated an entire episode to dissecting the phenomenon. Rogan, known for his inquisitive nature and willingness to explore unconventional ideas, brought together a panel of experts to discuss the sightings. Joining Rogan were aerospace engineers, pilots, and investigative journalists, each bringing their unique perspectives to the table. The discussion was lively and wide-ranging, covering everything from the technical aspects of the drone's flight capabilities to the potential implications for national security and our understanding of the universe. Rogan, never one to shy away from controversy, didn't hesitate to entertain even the most outlandish theories. Could these drones be of extraterrestrial origin? Could they be evidence of advanced civilizations visiting our planet from distant corners of the cosmos? While acknowledging the skepticism such theories often attract, Rogan encouraged his listeners to keep an open mind. Alien visitors or earthly advancements? Theories about the origin and purpose of the drones abound. Some believe they are top-secret military prototypes, developed by the United States or another global superpower. Others speculate that they could be part of a clandestine government program, operating outside the bounds of public knowledge. The possibility that the drones could be of extraterrestrial origin has also gained traction. Proponents of this theory point to the drone's advanced capabilities, which seem to far exceed anything currently known to human science. Could these be alien probes, sent to observe our planet and its inhabitants? The lack of any definitive answers has only fueled the flames of speculation. The mystery of the drones has become a breeding ground for conspiracy theories, with some suggesting that the government is engaged in a massive cover-up to hide the true nature of the objects. Eyewitness accounts, tales of the unexplained. In this section we delve into the mysterious and often unsettling experiences of those who have encountered these enigmatic drones. Eyewitness accounts paint a vivid picture of the drone's bizarre behavior. These accounts come from a diverse range of individuals, each with their own unique perspective on the phenomenon. People from all walks of life have reported seeing the objects, describing them as silent, glowing orbs that move with eerie precision. These sightings have been reported in various locations, adding to the mystery. Some witnesses have reported feeling a sense of unease or even fear when observing the drones. The inexplicable nature of these sightings has left many feeling unsettled. One witness, a resident of Hoboken, New Jersey, described seeing a group of drones hovering silently over the Hudson River. She recounted the experience with a mix of awe and trepidation. "They were just floating there like they were watching us," she said. "It was creepy." The stillness of the drones added to the eerie atmosphere. Another witness, a truck driver passing through New York City, reported seeing a drone following his vehicle for several miles. His account adds another layer to the mystery. "It was like it was toying with me," he said. "The drone's behavior was both perplexing and unnerving. I've never seen anything like it." The sheer number of similar reports suggests that these sightings are not isolated incidents. The consistency of the eyewitness accounts, despite the lack of any official explanation, has lent credence to the belief that something truly unusual is happening in the skies above New York and New Jersey. The mystery deepens with each new sighting. The drones have become a source of both fascination and fear, a tangible reminder that there are still mysteries in the world that we cannot explain. As more people come forward with their stories, the enigma of these drones continues to grow. Experts baffled, implications profound. The implications of these sightings are far-reaching. If these drones are indeed of human origin, they represent a technological leap of unprecedented proportions. Their capabilities would far surpass anything currently known to the public, suggesting a clandestine arms race taking place behind closed doors. If, on the other hand, these drones are of extraterrestrial origin, the implications are even more profound. It would mean that we are not alone in the universe and that we are being visited by beings with technology far exceeding our own. Such a revelation would have a seismic impact on our understanding of our place in the cosmos. The lack of any official explanation from the government has only served to heighten the sense of mystery and intrigue. The silence from those in positions of power has fueled speculation that they know more than they're letting on. The truth, whatever it may be, is out there. A universe of unanswered questions. As the drones continue to appear in the skies above New York and New Jersey, the world waits with bated breath for answers. Are these objects the product of human ingenuity, or do they herald the arrival of something truly otherworldly? The questions remain unanswered, the mystery unsolved. One thing is certain: the drone sightings have captured our imaginations and forced us to confront the limits of our understanding. They serve as a stark reminder that there is still much we don't know about the universe and our place within it. The night sky, with its endless expanse of stars and galaxies, serves as a constant reminder of our smallness in the grand scheme of things. The truth, as they say, is often stranger than fiction. The mystery of the drones over New York and New Jersey is a story still being written. It is a story that has captivated the world and left us with more questions than answers. Only time will tell what the future holds, but one thing is for sure: the truth, whatever it may be, is out there, waiting to be discovered. As we continue to explore and seek answers, we must remain open to the possibilities that lie beyond our current understanding.